Hey everyone, welcome back to Weekly Tools. Today, we're rediving into an important car part that many of us don't think about, the heater control valve. This little component plays a big role in how your car's heating system works, and if it fails, you could be in for some serious problems. Let's break it down. The heater control valve's job is to regulate the flow of coolant to your heater core, ensuring your cabin stays warm when you need it. There are three main types of heater control valves: electronic, vacuum-operated, and cable-controlled. But not every car has one of these valves. Some vehicles use a blend door system instead. If you were curious where it's located, just follow the heater inlet hose running from your engine to the firewall. Now, my car doesn't have a heater control valve, so I'll just show you the inlet hose for reference. Now, what happens if this valve fails? There are three main ways it can go wrong: stuck, open stuck, closed, develop, leaks. So, what are the symptoms of a failing heater control valve? No heat. If the valve is stuck closed, you won't get heat, just cold air blowing from the vents. Hot air with the AC on. If it's stuck open, expect warm air even when you were trying to cool down your car. Coolant leaks. If the valve is leaking, you might spot coolant under your car. A slow coolant loss can lead to low coolant. Over time, the leaking coolant can cause the level in your system to drop, which leads to the next issue: overheating engine. If your engine runs low on coolant, it can overheat. That's why it's crucial to keep an eye on coolant levels. If your temperature gauge is creeping up into the hot zone, pull over immediately to avoid serious engine damage. Here's a quick test to check if your heater control valve is faulty. Start your car and let it warm up to its normal temperature. Turn your heater to the maximum setting. Now, feel the inlet and outlet hoses connected to the valve. If the inlet hose feels hot, but the outlet hose is only slightly warm or cold, your valve is likely stuck closed and needs replacing. I hope this video helped clear up what a heater control valve does and how to spot when it's failing. If you found this info useful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to Weekly Tools for more car tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.